Welcome to Gelous Nail Art Tutorials. For this Halloween look, I'm going to show you how to paint a detailed spider. Let's get into it. After completing your nail prep, base coat and builder application, apply a thin coat of French kiss and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply a thin coat of Swan Lake and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Using blackout and the big dotting ball, paint a dot in the center of your nail for the spider's body. Using the small dotting ball, paint a dot for the head. Cure for 10 seconds. Using your thin nail art brush, paint 2 legs going in the direction of the spider's head. Then paint 2 legs going in the opposite direction. Repeat the previous steps on the other side of the spider. Cure for 10 seconds. Repaint over any areas to darken the legs. Cure for 10 seconds. Paint little dots over the joints of the legs. Cure for 10 seconds. Using whiteout and your thin nail art brush, paint thin lines over the spider's legs to create dimension. Cure for 10 seconds. Using blooming gel and the big dotting ball, paint a dot in the spider's body. Using Starlet and the big dotting ball, paint a dot on top of the blooming gel to create a reflective 3D spot. Cure for 60 seconds. Using blackout and your thin nail art brush, paint 2 small fangs. Cure for 10 seconds. Using whiteout and your thin nail art brush, paint 2 little eyes. Cure for 10 seconds. Apply a thin coat of top coat and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply Gelous Cuticle Oil around your nails and rub into your skin to nourish and moisturize. Thanks for watching.